Okay, hey everyone, welcome to another edition of the Entrepreneur Hour. I'm still working on getting my camera and Zoom account dialed in here, so bear with me as I try to do some live updates here. I promise I will get much better at my AV stuff, but the most important thing is the content, right? And so I really want to share with everyone some current updates on the real estate market. Um, as you know, or may not know in regards to this channel, I've been doing various real estate investing across my career and have over 20 years experience on and off doing real estate. So just wanted to share with you a quick update from Fundrise. Now, if you're not subscribed to Fundrise and if you're not a Fundrise uh, user, highly check them out. Check out the link in the description below. But let me just kind of read something that they put out there, very important. So, if you've been following the economic news in recent months, you know that historically high inflation has been one of the biggest stories and concerns of 2022 so far. Fortunately, there's good news. Investing in real estate is potentially one of the best ways to hedge against inflation, as history has shown. I'll go over an infographic in a minute, but for a better understanding of how they arrived at their current inflationary situation, how it and real estate are connected, and how real estate has thrived during past inflation periods, I encourage you to check out their infographic. So, looking at their infographic, a couple things. We're starting to see inflation significantly increase in recent months here. But I really want to point out something that no matter how bad the real estate market is right now, it's important to understand basic economics. And the key takeaway here that I want everyone to really understand and grasp is that it's all about supply and demand, right? So when you have not enough housing and you have massive population increases in certain areas, you have a housing shortage. Now, yes, we see inflation a bit high. Real estate prices are still high, stabilizing, if you will. I don't think there's going to be a big crash like there was in 2008, 2010, but I could be wrong. But based on what history has shown us, it's really important to stock up on some cash reserves if you do have real estate to cover some potential slower months of not having tenants in your rentals, etc. And also just, now is a good time to, analyze your expenses, cut expenses where you can, see what areas where you can increase cash flow in your various businesses. And those are some of the key things to consider. So getting back to this infographic here, you know, now Fundrise is saying that things could get potentially worse before they start getting better. And they talk about REITs and how typically there's a correlation between, having REITs as like a safety net during a recession or, high inflation. So I'll leave that up to you. I do invest in REITs personally. I think they've been good. They've really weathered the storm in recent months, if you will. Everyone's portfolio is down in the stock market. So yeah, I guess the main takeaway is I want you to really understand that when it comes to real estate, Fundrise is great. Check out their REIT packages in the description below. Also, don't forget, don't get super scared. Um, yes, it's a volatile market, but are you investing for the long term or short term? Something to consider. And then also make sure you're understanding basic economics. It's supply and demand, right? So when you have a housing shortage, you have a economic increase in population growth, significant increase in population growth over the recent years. These are strong indicators that housing prices are still gonna, or housing in general, is still gonna be in demand. So just wanted to share with you guys, this quick update here. I'll maybe put something on YouTube Shorts here, which have been making the rounds here lately. And hope you guys enjoyed tonight's broadcast. All right, thanks.